dusty lavender, grape, and ivory colors for mixed media artists, slow stitching, journal makers, and fabric collage artists. 5 pieces, cut 8 by 10 inches, a variety of great textures, and hand sewing friendly. The pieces in this bundle include a lightweight raised textured fabric with a satin background. Very interesting piece. This is a tightly looped fabric, like a tightly looped boucle. Look there. Say a mini boucle. It's about a medium weight. Not too thick. Background is like a knit background. Should be easy to sew. This is a raw silk. See the nubbiness? This is a lighter weight and it's pretty opaque. I have my hand behind it and I have an overhead light, so this is opaque, but it's very lightweight. And same on the back. Full reveal will post Tuesday at 7 p.m. Eastern Time. View more palettes like this in my latest reveals section on my channel.